Namibia, a nation known for its rich natural resources and vast landscapes, including the world's oldest desert, is quietly building its defense capabilities to address modern security threats. From border security to maritime protection, Namibia is making strategic acquisitions to strengthen its military forces. In 2022, Namibia allocated approximately 3% of its GDP to military expenditure, or roughly $367 million. This is a respectable percentage that underscores the country's ongoing commitment to addressing its defense challenges. As we'll see, those challenges aren't unlike the ones facing neighboring countries such as Angola, Botswana, or South Africa. As always, the primary concern is border security. With extensive and often porous borders, Namibia contends with issues such as smuggling and unauthorized crossings. This comes as no surprise as the country has a 2,620-mile-long border. On top of this, wildlife poaching has become a serious issue too, threatening many endangered species that call Namibian landscapes home. The illegal hunting of wildlife such as rhinos and elephants poses threats to biodiversity and national heritage. Finally, to the west, Namibia has maritime concerns that keep its government busy. Protecting its maritime resources from illegal fishing activities is crucial for Namibia's economic interests. To address these challenges, Namibia has focused on enhancing its defense capabilities through the acquisition of patrol vessels, armored vehicles, and aerial surveillance and transport. In 2012, Namibia received a patrol vessel known as the NS Elephant from China's Wuhan shipyard that has been used to monitor the country's exclusive economic zone. This is a multi-purpose warship that has some teeth, too, as it is armed with a 37mm naval gun and two 14.5mm twin-barreled machine guns. In 2017, it was announced that Denel Vehicle Systems, a South African state-owned aerospace and military technology conglomerate, would be providing 8 RG-32M armored patrol vehicles to Namibia. According to DefenseWeb, the RG-32M is a mine-resistant, light-armored vehicle widely used by peacekeeping forces across the world. The latest version of the vehicle has been developed by DVS specifically for deployment in Namibian conditions, making use of experience gained from deployments elsewhere in Africa, as well as Asia, the Middle East, and the Balkans. In December 2024, Namibia improved its aerial capabilities, becoming the first international customer to acquire the Chinese-manufactured Shaanxi Y-9E medium transport aircraft, significantly enhancing its airlift capabilities. Namibian President Nangolo Mbumba said, "The acquisition of these medium transport aircraft will greatly contribute to improving and strengthening the operational capabilities of the Namibian Defense Forces, and their readiness to respond swiftly to any situation requiring the deployment of our soldiers, both in peacetime and wartime." Updating military technology is all well and good, but protecting intellectual property is a major concern for defense contractors. Namibia's IP framework faces several hurdles. For example, current IP laws are considered outdated and do not adequately address modern issues, such as digital rights management and trade secrets. There is also a lack of robust mechanisms to enforce IP rights, leading to challenges in combating counterfeiting and piracy. And finally, efforts to protect and commercialize traditional knowledge, particularly under frameworks like the Swakopmund Protocol, face obstacles due to limited institutional capacity and awareness. So, what would make Namibia a better place for business? Updating IP laws to align with international standards and address contemporary challenges would be a start. Then, investing in training for law enforcement and judicial personnel to effectively handle IP-related cases. Another consideration would be educating businesses and the public on the importance of IP rights and the economic benefits of protecting innovations and traditional knowledge. As Namibia continues to invest in its defense infrastructure to safeguard national interests, addressing intellectual property challenges remains pivotal. Strengthening the IP framework will not only protect innovations and cultural heritage, but also foster economic growth and international collaboration. Stay tuned for Niger.